This problem says that you make Irish soda bread with 2 cups of flour and a quarter cup of sugar, and then this other kind of bread, Kegel Hope cake, is made with 4 cups of sugar or 4 cups of flour and 1 cup of sugar. We have a total of 16 cups of flour and 3 cups of sugar. So first thing we need to do is decide what our variables are. Notice we are asked to find the total number of each type of bread that could be made. So that's what we're looking for, is how many of each type of bread. So X is going to be loaves of Irish soda bread. And Y is going to be number of loaves of Kegel Hope cake. And then when we set up our inequalities, we want to think about what's being limited in this problem. Well, one thing is we only have a limited amount of flour. So we want one inequality that only deals with flour. So it takes 2 cups of flour for each X, for each loaf of Irish soda bread. 2 cups for each X, plus it takes 4 cups of flour for each Y. And I have only 16 cups of flour. I have to stay under, or I could use up all 16 cups of flour. And then we want to do something similar for the amount of sugar we have. 1/4 cup of sugar for each X, plus 1 whole cup of sugar for each Y needs to be less than or equal to 3 cups of sugar. And then our other 2 inequalities, I cannot make a negative amount of Irish soda bread, and I cannot make a negative amount of Kegel Hope cake. So X is greater than or equal to 0, Y is greater than or equal to 0. If I solve this for Y, subtract 2X from both sides, divide by 4. So y-intercept is 4, slope is -1/2. Y is less than or equal to the line, so the shading goes this way. This line, if I change that one to slope-intercept form, I get Y is less than or equal to -1/4 X plus 3. So y-intercept is 3 and slope is -1/3. So there's that line. Sorry, y-intercept is 3, slope is -1/4, not -1/3. Down 1/4. That one is also shaded towards 0, 0. So shade underneath. And then also remember, we're only in quadrant 1. So the overlap of all those should be this guy right here.